Every Subaru owner believes they're maintaining their vehicle correctly by following the manual, while 5 critical mistakes are silently destroying engines and transmissions worth thousands in repairs. While Subaru markets 10-year maintenance intervals and lifetime fluids, independent mechanics report catastrophic failures at 80,000 to 100,000 miles directly traceable to following manufacturer guidance. According to Technical Service Bulletin 0215714R and verified owner reports across multiple forums, specific Subaru maintenance practices cause oil consumption, requiring short block replacements, CVT failures costing $8,000, and VVT system damage triggering check engine lights. In this video, you'll discover which manufacturer recommendations contradict real-world mechanical reality, why Subaru's US specifications differ dramatically from European markets, and the specific maintenance intervals that prevent expensive catastrophic failures. This isn't about general car care advice. This is about understanding why following your owner's manual exactly as written can cost you thousands in preventable repairs. Here are the 5 things destroying Subaru reliability. Number 1. Never trusting Subaru's oil change interval without checking oil level. According to Subaru's official maintenance schedule, oil changes are recommended every 6,000 miles using 0W20 synthetic oil. This seems reasonable until you understand that specific Subaru FB engines have documented oil consumption problems covered under Technical Service Bulletin 0215714R. The affected models are 2011 through 2014 Forester with FB 25 engines, 2013 through 2014 Legacy and Outback with FB 25 engines, 2012 through 2013 Impreza with FB 20 engines, and 2013 Crosstrek with FB 20 engines. The root cause involves low-tension piston rings designed to reduce friction and improve fuel economy. According to the TSB, these rings are more susceptible to carbon buildup that causes them to stick in their grooves. When piston rings don't seal properly, oil slips past them and burns in the combustion chamber.
You will have blue smoke coming out of the exhaust, and with increasing RPMs you will notice more smoke coming out.
The problem is severe enough that some owners report consuming 1 quart of oil every 1,000 to 2,000 miles. Here's the critical issue. If you follow Subaru's 6,000-mile oil change interval without checking oil level between changes, your engine can run dangerously low on oil. According to verified owner reports from Subaru Outback forums, running low on oil accelerates wear on bearings, camshafts, and other critical components. The oil that remains in the engine becomes more stressed and degrades faster when operating at reduced capacity. The solution is checking oil level every 1,000 miles regardless of Subaru's recommended interval. If your vehicle is consuming oil, add oil to maintain proper level and document consumption for potential warranty claims. According to the TSB, Subaru considers consumption of 1 quart every 1,000 to 1,200 miles as within acceptable limits, meaning they won't replace your engine unless consumption exceeds this threshold. However, acceptable to Subaru doesn't mean acceptable for long-term engine health. Number 2. Following Subaru of America's lifetime CVT fluid guidance. According to Subaru of America's official maintenance schedule, CVT transmission fluid is listed as inspect every 30 months or 30,000 miles. The footnote states fluid replacement should only occur under very severe driving or frequent towing at 24,855 miles. For normal driving, Subaru of America positions CVT fluid as essentially lifetime. This contradicts Subaru Canada's requirements. According to verified owner manual comparisons and forum discussions, Subaru Canada requires CVT fluid replacement at 60,000 miles or 100,000 kilometers to maintain extended warranty coverage, bringing coverage to 10 years or 160,000 kilometers. Subaru distributors outside the United States, including Japan and Europe, also recommend CVT fluid changes at regular 60,000 mile intervals. The same CVT transmission receives completely different maintenance guidance based solely on which country purchased the vehicle. According to transmission specialists documented in Bob is the Oil Guy forums, CVT fluid degrades through heat, friction, and contamination. The steel belt and pulleys generate friction heat thousands of times over tens of thousands of miles. Additives that prevent oxidation and maintain viscosity gradually deplete. According to verified owner reports, CVT failures consistently occur between 80,000 and 120,000 miles in vehicles following Subaru of America's lifetime fluid guidance. Replacement costs range from $7,000 to $12,000 based on documented quotes. In contrast, drain and fill service costs $235 to $450 at dealerships. Performing drain and fill services every 40,000 miles costs approximately $900 to $1,350 over 100,000 miles, representing 10% or less of a single CVT replacement cost. Number 3. Neglecting coolant replacement because of long service intervals. According to Subaru's official maintenance schedule, Subaru Super Coolant is rated for 10 years or 100,000 miles before replacement. This extended interval creates the same problem General Motors experienced with Dexcool in the 1990s when long-life coolants were first introduced. Owners forget about coolant entirely because 10 years feels like forever. According to chemical analysis, coolant contains rust inhibitors and additives preventing freezing. As coolant ages through heat cycles, these additives break down. The coolant becomes more acidic and corrosive. While most cooling system components in modern Subarus are aluminum, head gaskets are still made of steel. According to verified mechanic reports, neglected coolant can cause head gasket issues, thermostats hanging open or closed, and heater core deterioration dumping coolant inside the cabin. The conservative recommendation from independent Subaru specialists is 8 years or 80,000 miles for coolant replacement, not 10 years or 100,000 miles. Coolant service costs approximately $400 to $600, including inspection of hoses, connections, and thermostat. This preventive maintenance is significantly cheaper than head gasket replacement, costing $1,500 to $2,500, or heater core replacement requiring dashboard removal. Number 4. Using cheap aftermarket parts instead of OEM components. According to industry observations, aftermarket parts quality has declined significantly over the past 5 years. While genuine Subaru parts cost more than aftermarket alternatives, the price difference is minimal compared to labor costs for replacing failed parts twice. Critical components requiring OEM parts include CVT fluid, which must meet Subaru's exact specifications. According to transmission specialists, using incorrect CVT fluid can cause valve body damage and belt slippage. Subaru CVTF2 or CVTF3, depending on model year, are the only approved fluids. Aftermarket CVT fluids claiming compatibility have caused transmission damage documented in owner reports. VVT solenoids represent another critical component. According to Technical Service Bulletin 0217017R, VVT solenoid leaks are common enough that dealerships stock 12 or more O-ring seals. Aftermarket solenoids may have incorrect resistance values. One verified report documented original solenoids measuring 21 ohms resistance, while failed solenoids measured only 9 ohms. Using OEM solenoids ensures correct electrical specifications, preventing check engine lights and timing errors. Spark plugs in boxer engines require special attention. According to Car Talk's analysis, spark plug replacement in Subarus requires disconnecting engine mounts and nudging the engine upward to access plugs positioned against the engine bay sides. This labor-intensive process costs $300 to $500 at dealerships. Using cheap spark plugs that fail prematurely means paying this labor cost twice within a short period. Number 5. Ignoring PCV valve maintenance causing oil leaks. The PCV valve rarely appears in owner maintenance awareness despite its critical role preventing crankcase pressure buildup. According to mechanical principles, engines generate blow-by gases that escape past piston rings into the crankcase. The PCV system pulls these gases back through the intake to be burned in combustion rather than building pressure. When PCV valves fail or hoses become hard and cracked, crankcase pressure has nowhere to escape except through engine seals and gaskets. According to verified mechanic reports, failed PCV systems cause cam cover leaks, timing chain cover leaks, and cam carrier leaks by forcing oil past seals that would otherwise remain intact. PCV valves cost $15 to $30. PCV hoses cost similar amounts. These inexpensive components should be inspected at 30,000 miles and replaced at 60,000 miles as preventive maintenance. In contrast, resealing an engine with cam covers, timing chain cover, and cam carrier gaskets costs $1,000 to $2,000 in parts and labor. The problem is compounded by oil sludge. According to Technical Service Bulletin documentation, sludge buildup in the PCV system from extended oil changes or oil consumption clogs passages meant to vent crankcase pressure. This creates a destructive cycle where sludge blocks the PCV system, pressure builds, oil is forced past seals, and the resulting leaks waste oil that would otherwise lubricate the engine. The cost reality of these mistakes. According to verified cost data, following these 5 mistakes creates predictable financial consequences. Ignoring oil consumption and running low on oil leads to short block replacement under warranty if caught within the TSB coverage period, or complete engine replacement costing $6,000 to $8,000 if outside warranty. Following lifetime CVT fluid guidance results in transmission replacement costing $7,000 to $12,000 between 80,000 and 120,000 miles. Neglecting coolant replacement risks head gasket failure costing $1,500 to $2,500. Using cheap parts means paying labor costs multiple times as components fail prematurely. Ignoring PCV maintenance leads to engine reseal costs of $1,000 to $2,000. The preventive maintenance costs are dramatically lower. Checking oil regularly costs nothing but 5 minutes every fuel fill-up. CVT drain and fill every 40,000 miles costs $900 to $1,350 over 100,000 miles. Coolant replacement at 80,000 miles costs $400 to $600. Using OEM parts costs 10 to 30% more than aftermarket, but eliminates repeat repairs. PCV valve and hose replacement costs $50 to $100 every 60,000 miles. The 5 critical mistakes destroying Subaru reliability are following Subaru's oil change intervals without checking oil level between services, trusting Subaru of America's lifetime CVT fluid guidance that contradicts Subaru Canada and international markets, neglecting coolant replacement because 10-year intervals feel permanent, using cheap aftermarket parts for critical components like CVT fluid and VVT solenoids, and ignoring PCV valve maintenance that causes expensive oil leak repairs. These mistakes are supported by Technical Service Bulletin 02-15714R documenting FB engine oil consumption, verified CVT failure patterns between 80,000 and 120,000 miles costing $7,000 to $12,000, and documented PCV related oil leak repairs costing $1,000 to $2,000. Preventive maintenance addressing these 5 issues costs approximately $2,000 to $3,000 over 100,000 miles, while avoiding these mistakes can cost $15,000 to $20,000 in catastrophic repairs. Check your oil every 1,000 miles. Change CVT fluid every 40,000 miles regardless of Subaru's guidance. Replace coolant at 80,000 miles. Use OEM parts for critical components. And inspect your PCV system at 30,000 miles. Which of these 5 mistakes have you made with your Subaru, and what did it cost you? Share your model year and the specific failure you experienced in the comments so other owners learn from real experiences. Hit that like button if this information prevents expensive repairs, and subscribe for automotive facts that protect your wallet from following manufacturer guidance that contradicts mechanical reality. All Technical Service Bulletin numbers and cost data are verified from official Subaru documents and owner reports with sources in the description.